Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete an expense in QuickBooks Online. First, open QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Make sure you are using the correct company file, so you are working in the right place. Once you are logged in, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You will see a section called Expenses. Sometimes it may be labeled Expenses and Pay Bills. Click on this section to open it. After you click, the Expenses section will open. Here, you will see a list of all your recorded expenses. If you have many expenses, you can use the search box or filters to find the one you want. Once you find the expense you want to delete, look across the row to the Action column. In this column, there will be a button that says View and Edit. Click on this button to open a small menu. From the menu, select Delete. When you click Delete, QuickBooks will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this expense. This confirmation step is important because once an expense is deleted, it is removed from your main records and reports. If you are sure, click Yes to confirm. The expense will now be permanently deleted. Thanks for watching.